Today I am reviewing Empowered PC Continuum Micro Gaming Desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a gaming desktop that packs power, performance, and style into a compact form factor, the Empowered PC Continuum Micro Gaming Desktop from Computer Upgrade King is an exceptional choice. This micro tower is designed not just for gamers, but also for content creators and multitaskers who demand high performance in a sleek, portable design. Let's start with the heart of the system, the processor. The Continuum Micro is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5700X, an 8-core, 16-thread CPU with a base clock of 3.4 GHz and a turbo boost reaching 4.6 GHz. What does this mean for you? In real-world terms, it allows this PC to handle modern games, streaming, and productivity applications without breaking a sweat. From running AAA titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Elden Ring at high settings to rendering videos in Adobe Premiere Pro or Blender, this CPU gives you smooth and consistent performance. Its multi-threaded architecture ensures you can run several demanding applications simultaneously without noticeable slowdowns, which is perfect for streamers who want to game and broadcast at the same time. Moving on to graphics, the Continuum Micro comes equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 16GB GDDR7. This dedicated GPU is a powerhouse for high-performance gaming, capable of delivering ultra settings at 1080p and even 1440p resolutions. Games like Call of Duty, Valorant, Fortnite, and Apex Legends run flawlessly with smooth frame rates, realistic ray-trace lighting, and immersive visuals. Even for content creators, the RTX 5060 Ti accelerates rendering and video editing tasks, making it a versatile GPU for gaming and professional work alike. With 16 GB of dedicated VRAM, you have more than enough memory to handle modern AAA games and creative software, ensuring a lag-free experience even in resource-heavy scenarios. Memory and storage are equally impressive. The system comes with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM at 3,200 MHz, providing ample bandwidth for multitasking and running demanding applications. Whether you're switching between multiple browser tabs, streaming, or running virtual machines, this system keeps everything smooth and responsive. Storage is handled by a 2 TB NVMe SSD, which not only provides massive space for games, media, and software, but also ensures lightning-fast load times. Booting up Windows 11 Pro, launching games, or opening large applications happens almost instantly, eliminating the frustration of long waits. Another area where the Continuum Micro excels is cooling. This system features ARGB high airflow fans combined with a liquid cooling solution, ensuring your CPU and GPU stay at optimal temperatures even during intense gaming sessions. Long play sessions or demanding workloads won't result in thermal throttling, and the system remains quiet and efficient. The front panel also features a stunning infinity mirror RGB design, giving your gaming setup a modern, premium aesthetic. It's not just functional, it's visually striking. Connectivity and expandability are also well thought out. You get Wi-Fi 8.0 2.11 AC, Bluetooth, multiple USB 3.2 ports, and a DisplayPort output, making it easy to connect your monitors, peripherals, and network devices. This means whether you're connecting multiple monitors for gaming or productivity, adding external drives, or using wireless accessories, you have plenty of options. For those who want a ready-to-go setup, the PC comes with a wired LED backlit gaming keyboard and mouse, so you can start gaming immediately after setup. And with a 3-year limited warranty, along with lifetime access to technical support, you can feel confident that your investment is protected. Performance-wise, the Empowered PC Continuum Micro handles everything you throw at it. From competitive online shooters to AAA single-player games, from streaming and content creation to everyday productivity tasks, this PC delivers smooth, reliable, and consistent performance. It's a rare combination of a compact, micro-tower design without compromising power, storage, or cooling. In summary, if you're looking for a gaming desktop that combines top-tier gaming performance, a fast and reliable CPU, a powerful GPU, massive RAM, and SSD storage all in a compact, stylish RGB chassis, the empowered PC Continuum micro gaming desktop is an excellent choice. It's designed for gamers who want a small but mighty machine, content creators who need performance without the bulk, and anyone who values a fast, responsive, and visually striking system. With this PC, you're not just buying a computer. You're investing in a complete gaming and creative powerhouse that will handle today's most demanding games and applications with ease, while looking amazing in your setup. Whether for gaming, streaming, or content creation, the Continuum Micro is ready to take on any challenge you throw at it.